Alright, Shade 3 mechanic muna. Today we're gonna replace the front brake pads of our beloved Kia Rio. There you go, we got everything here, hardware and the brake pads. Alright, let's start. Alright, I got that one open, so I'm just gonna pry this one loose. Simple lang pagtanggal. All you have to do is, you know, take this one off, this one side, the outer plate, yan, and then the other side. Okay, yan, tanggal na siya. Now we need to, I think palitin na rin yung rotor natin, pero I don't care. Natin tatanggalin ito, yung plate na to, and then this. Okay, and then we'll place it back. Mga bagong bracket, papalit lang natin doon. But first, i-open natin itong brake caliper by doing this. Yan, open natin. So yan, naikabit ko na. Medyo ibubukan nyo lang itong caliper, no? Ipapasok nyo to, so using a probably a tool or a vice grip. Then you close it out like this, and then ilagay nyo to. Yan, tapos na yan. Gawin natin yung kabila. Alright, time to test our wheels. Okay, brakes doesn't feel spongy now. Now I replaced it with Duralast Gold, which is a ceramic, it has a ceramic element. I replaced the pads since I installed it. I think it was in 2016, so it's been like 6 years. Yan, after replacing the brakes, I'm now testing it. So far okay naman. Before it was like I'm having as if the brakes will slide. Now it's biting. So after replacing the brakes, after 2 hours, I'm now here testing it. Ang masasabi ko lang, gumanda yung pedal play. Before it was kind of deep. But now it really bites. So I'm really satisfied with it. So instead of me paying $120 to have my brakes replaced, so $120, that's just the estimate. So it could run between $120 to $200 with this simple brake job. I was able to save $200. Instead of me going to the repairman myself, I just save myself the amount. How it does. So I guess yan, maganda yung Duralast Gold. Incidentally, mas madaling palitan ang caliper brakes kaysa yung drum brakes. Would you believe? Napakadaling palitan ng caliper brakes.